look at her sleeve. Her sleeve is torn. Please do not stare. Her clothes look like very old. She brings retro style every day. Please stop. It is okay. I can still enjoy the party. Look at my dress. It is my new favorite. Wow, it is so beautiful. Maybe one day I can wear a dress like that.
We need money for food first, Maya. But I can fix your torn sleeve.
We do not have much money, Mom. But I will work hard. Maya, here is your invitation. A grand festival party? Yes! Everyone will wear their best clothes. Oh, I see. You must come to the party, Maya. I will be there. I will find a way to get a clean, beautiful dress.
We can save money little by little.
For Maya and for our family.
We will work together.
Every plastic bottle helps.
Good job, everyone! I can help clean the garden today.
Thank you, Maya.
I am happy to help. But I can see you are in need.
But you stay quiet. You did a good deed for me, so let me help you back.
1 coin for the dress, another coin for my dream.
Grow, little piggy bank, grow.
It is getting heavy. We are getting close.
You studied hard today, Maya.
I must study hard and work hard too.
Oh no! My work shoes are broken.
Dad, use my saved money.
No, Maya. Keep it for your dress. We can fix my shoes together.
Are you sure, Dad?
Yes, your hard work belongs to your dream.
I can help glue your shoes, Dad.
Thank you, Maya. Good job.
Look! This is the very last bag of bottles.
Let us count the money now. 1, 2, 3. We have enough!
We did it, Dad!
Go on, Maya. It is time to get your dress.
Get on, Maya.
It is the one! I love it so much!
We will take this one, please.
An excellent choice.
You look very pretty, Maya.
Be proud of yourself. You worked hard for this.
Wow, look at Maya! Her party dress is so beautiful.
Good evening, Maya. Please come here. You earned the Best Guest Award.
Maya, we are very sorry. We were wrong about you. It is okay. Let us be friends. Today I learned a beautiful lesson. Hard work always pays off, and kind hearts are better than expensive clothes.